Hello everyone, this is Will with Living Museums TV1.
Welcome aboard the Tulsa Zoo train. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated, keeping your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train cars at all times. Currently, our trains are running round trips only from Crane Station and will not be stopping at Sea Lion Station. This helps ensure as many Tulsa Zoo guests possible are able to enjoy a train tour today, and we thank you for your understanding.
This video is just going to be for only the train ride. I have a separate video that we actually did for a tour of the zoo, so it was quite long, so I decided to go ahead and do a different one.
Largest living land mammal, the amazing Asian elephant over to the right of the locomotive in Lost Kingdom Elephants. The largest living land mammals, elephants are intelligent, social, and extremely vital to their respective ecosystems. Did you know elephants communicate over long distances using low-pitched sounds that are barely audible to the human ear? These powerful infrasonic rumbles contain specific messages that can be heard and understood by other elephants more than 2 miles away. The Tulsa Zoo's rich history of caring for and studying the Asian elephant species spans more than a half-century. Among the species is the binturong. Also referred to as a bear cat, the binturong is a truly unique species with a face similar to a cat, a body like a bear, and a long tail common to certain monkeys. Binturongs live in the dense tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia and are not often spotted in the wild. They are currently classified as vulnerable, with populations declining more than 30% over the past 30 years. Coming into view on the right side of the train is one of the largest species of tortoise in the world, the Aldabra tortoise. These giant tortoises are found only on the island they are named for, the Aldabra Atoll. Aldabra tortoises inhabit scrub, mangrove, swamp, and coastal dune habitats, but the largest concentration can be found in the grassland areas of the island. Did you know that the Aldabra tortoise can usually live for 70 to 90 years? In fact, they've been known to live even longer, with some reaching an age surpassing 100 years. Our zoo safari now takes us into the African plains, where you will discover several species of the plains, including giraffes and rhinos. Giraffes can be found primarily in savanna areas in the sub-Saharan region of Africa, and of course hold the title of the world's tallest land animal, towering above all others. The white rhinoceros is the second largest land mammal, and the vast majority of this species occurs in just 4 countries: South Africa, Namibia, Zimbabwe, and Kenya. Did you know that rhinos love wallowing in the mud? By covering themselves with mud and letting it dry, they are protecting their skin from the sun, and this muddy fun even helps them remove ectoparasites and helps prevent illness and disease. oceans and islands area making up the rocky enclosure to the right, featuring African penguins. Not all penguin species live in harsh and cold environments, as African penguins inhabit the southern tip of Africa, where temperatures can be quite seasonably warm. Also featured in oceans and islands are California's sea lions. These pinnipeds are native to the rocky Pacific Ocean coastlines of western North America, and unlike seals, sea lions primarily use their foreflippers to propel themselves through the water and can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Have you considered the Tulsa Zoo for your next corporate or social event? Whether you are hosting an intimate gathering or a black tie affair for thousands, the zoo offers a variety of indoor and outdoor spaces that provide an uncommon setting for your special occasion. Please visit the zoo's admissions office for more information. A large facility coming into view is the Tulsa Zoo's rainforest. Resembling a Central and South American ecosystem among lush tropical vegetation, the zoo's rainforest is home to black howler monkeys, piranhas, golden-headed lion tamarins, and among the largest parrots in the world, the scarlet macaw. Also featured is the largest of South American cats, the jaguar, and one of the largest snake species in the world, the anaconda. Many species, including the two-toed sloth, roam freely, creating an interactive experience for guests. Did you know that the two-toed sloth is a nocturnal creature that spends most of their life upside down in trees? In fact, sloths are the only mammal whose hair grows in the opposite direction from the hair of other mammals, and this even allows water to run off during quite frequent tropical rainstorms. Children's Zoo and Contact Card allows guests to enjoy the engagement of close contact with small farm animals and is home to a large variety of mammals, including river otters, miniature horses, and the world's largest marsupial, the red kangaroo. Red kangaroos hop along their powerful hind legs and do so at great speed. Did you know that a red kangaroo can actually reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour? Their bounding gait allows them to cover 25 feet in a single leap and to jump over 6 feet high. Among the wildlife you will encounter throughout Wildlife Trek is the Mexican beaded lizard and life in the desert. Did you know that beaded lizards are one of only 2 known venomous lizards? That ability helps them play a pivotal role in the desert ecology of the southwestern sections of North America through population control. Although appearing slow and sluggish, this subterranean reptile can actually move quite rapidly when provoked and can even produce a hissing sound to warn off any potential intruders. Among the wildlife you will encounter throughout Wildlife Trek is the grizzly bear in Life in the Cold. Grizzly bears are striking creatures, extending up to 10 feet in height and weighing up to 1,200 pounds. They live in woodlands, forests, and valleys near rivers. And grizzlies are also omnivores, consuming food as small as seeds or as large as a deer. During winter, they descend into a deep sleep and can go without food or water for over 100 days.
Alright, looks like we're coming into the station. Hope you enjoyed this little train ride around the outside of the zoo. If you did, go ahead and hit that like
As we
button.
approach Crane Depot,
And
please continue
if you
to
want to see
remain
the rest of the
seated
zoo,
until the
please check out
locomotive
the other
comes to a
video
complete and
for
full
the
stop
entire zoo
inside
tour.
the station. At that point,
Hope you have a
everyone
wonderful
please
day.
exit towards the back of the zoo train.
And this
And
is
if you
Will
have purchased
with
additional train
Museum,
tickets
Living
to complete
Museums
your ride today,
TV1.
please just
Thank
ensure
you.
you exit
Have
the
a
train
wonderful
and
day.
re-enter the line here at Crane Depot. Thank you for